I'm now going to do an example of the annualized percentage change. I'm going to look at a stock that I bought to see how much per year it went up on average. So I'm going to annualize how much it went up in value or went down. I bought stock A at $50 a share. I sold it at $92 a share 9 years later. How much on average did that stock increase each year? Well, I'm going to use my annualized percentage change to figure that out. So let's sub in our values. This one has a lot of brackets, so make sure you are following the parentheses and the brackets correctly. I have 1 plus parentheses, new price minus old price over old price. Close that bracket, raise that answer to 1 over n. Have then another bracket. Whatever answer I get there, I subtract 1. That's right. Okay, for some reason that looked wrong, but it's right. Okay, so I need to get rid of my parentheses first, and I need to sub in my values first. So my new price, or the price I sold it at, is $92. My old price is $50. And I held it for 9 years. Sorry, that's a horrible bracket. And then I'm going to subtract 1. So, 92 minus 50 is 42. And then I do 42 divided by 50. And I get 0.84. I need to add that to 1. So, this whole thing I just solved, and it's 1.84. Then I need to raise that to 1 over 9. Now, be careful when you put this in to make sure you do it correctly. To make sure you practice on your calculator. If you're not sure how to put it in, you can solve for that first and get 0.11111, or you can try and put it in your calculator using a parentheses. Whichever works for you is great. When we calculate that out, 1.84 raised to the 1 over 9, I'm going to come over here, I'm running out of room, we get 1.07. So now I've solved for this entire bracket there. Now I'm going to subtract 1, and I get 0.07. So my stock averaged 0.07 every year. Now you can turn that into a percentage by multiplying it by 100. So that stock went up on average 7% every year. That is an example of the annualized percentage change.